All right. So we have got a bunch of storms coming through. Has been like that since last night. So I'm not hooked up on the radio, but we're just looking at the Hamclock. Looks like it's working pretty good. Um, I've got like a tracker for the moon for some reason. I left it on there. Anyway, so this thing gives us a lot of information, and this thing will rotate here. You can see the people on POTA that have been spotted, which is basic information. If you go to their website, you'll get a lot more information, but also maybe I don't necessarily want to see people operating CW for POTA, so I can filter that on their website. Then you got Summits on the air, and they seem to almost be exclusively CW digital. So anyway, we can look here and see our gray line and see what's going on and all that good stuff. There's so much going on I can't even see the hell's going on here. So the Hamclock is running on a Raspberry Pi 3B that I borrowed, and it gets kind of warm actually. So I try not to use it a lot. Anyway, you can probably run it on a Pi Zero and it'd probably work fine. You can run it on Windows, you can run it on other stuff. I thought about it actually to see if I could just like run it on a tablet. I've got an old tablet. And you know, just have it set so. But it's a good propagation tool for sure. I mean, like, I don't really look at it before I get on the bands too much. I look at it when there's not much going on, you know. So they're pretty much like you go on their website and you download the file, put it on an SD card, and then basically put it into the Raspberry Pi, and it pretty much does all the rest for you. So now it's a little more complicated, I think, on Windows and Linux and stuff like that. And then, you know, to dedicate like an entire computer to do just this is like kind of silly. That's why everybody likes to do it with the Raspberry Pi. I mean, there's actually so I've got a mouse. There's actually a whole nother system here. If we close out the Hamclock, we have the Pi software, whatever it is. So there's Hamclock, and then I even have SDR Connect on here. It'll open. Actually, I don't remember how to open it. Yeah, that's the installer. We don't want to do that. So you have your typical Raspberry Pi stuff, and you can browse the web, but it's really, really going to be hard on this thing. I'm telling you, it's slow as hell. I thought that I installed SDR Connect on it, but maybe I didn't. Anyway, we have like a Chromium web browser, maybe. I'm not sure. So, I mean, you can use it for other things. It's just, you know, it's a Pi. If you're not using one of the newer ones, you know, it's really going to be slow. Let's see what we got here. Store the pages. The Raspberry Pi OS Hamclock. Okay. So anyway, I don't have any way to type on here because I don't actually have a keyboard. But this is interesting stuff here for sure. Raspberry Pi desktop. Debian with Raspberry Pi desktop. That's cool. I don't know if that's what I'm running or not, to be honest with you guys. But anyway, so that's the Hamclock, and I'll leave a link down below for where you can get more information about it.